Kangaroo, the symbol of Australia with extraordinary jumps. Kangaroos are one of the most iconic and distinctive animals of Australia. With powerful hind legs and a signature pouch, they stand out not only in appearance but also in their incredible movement abilities. Kangaroos can leap up to 7.5 meters, 24 feet in a single bound, and reach speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, thanks to their highly developed muscles. Unlike most mammals, kangaroos are marsupials, meaning their young, called joeys, are born underdeveloped and must grow inside their mother's pouch for several months. Additionally, they are highly adapted to Australia's harsh environment, capable of surviving long periods without drinking water by extracting moisture from plants. Kangaroos are not only a symbol of Australia, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem and indigenous culture. The kangaroo family, masters of speed and agility, kangaroos belong to the macropod family, meaning big foot, a characteristic that makes them one of the best jumpers and fastest moving land animals. They are closely related to wallabies and wallaroos, sharing similar body structures and movement patterns. With their powerful hind legs, kangaroos can reach speeds of up to 56 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and cover distances of up to 7.5 meters, 24 feet in a single leap. Their bodies are optimized for efficient and energy-saving movement, allowing them to thrive in Australia's challenging environment. The development journey of joeys, a magical life in the pouch. At birth, a baby kangaroo, known as a joey, is only the size of a bean and is highly underdeveloped. It is hairless, blind, and relies solely on instinct to crawl into its mother's pouch without any assistance. Inside the pouch, the joey latches onto a teat and continues to develop in a warm, safe environment. At around 6 months old, the joey starts peeking out, curiously observing the outside world. By 8 months, it takes its first hops but still relies on the pouch for protection. If frightened or tired, the joey quickly retreats into the pouch, continuing its fascinating journey to adulthood. Why do kangaroos jump? The secret behind their powerful movement. Kangaroos don't just jump because it's their only way of moving. Hopping is also an energy-efficient method of locomotion. Their powerful hind legs act like springs, storing and releasing energy with each jump, allowing them to move quickly without expending excessive effort. Their long, muscular tails function as a natural counterbalance, helping them maintain stability at high speeds. Thanks to their specialized body structure, kangaroos can leap up to 7.5 meters, 24 feet in a single bound, and reach heights of up to 1.8 meters, 6 feet. This unique ability makes them one of the most efficient land animals when it comes to movement. Main kangaroo species, the athletes of nature. There are 4 main species of kangaroos, each uniquely adapted to different habitats. The red kangaroo is the largest, with males growing over 1.8 meters, 6 feet tall. They mainly inhabit Australia's arid regions and are distinguished by their reddish-brown fur. Eastern grey kangaroos have a characteristic grey coat and are commonly found in forests and grassy plains. Western grey kangaroos are slightly smaller than their eastern relatives and primarily live in southern and western Australia. Lastly, the antelopine kangaroo, the least well-known species, thrives in the tropical forests of northern Australia. Each species plays a vital role in the ecosystem and showcases remarkable adaptability to the wild. Kangaroo diet, the secret to survival in harsh environments. Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and shrubs. Their unique dental structure allows their teeth to be continuously replaced as they wear down from chewing tough vegetation. This adaptation enables them to maintain their eating ability throughout their lifetime. One of their most remarkable survival traits is their ability to absorb moisture from their food, allowing them to endure Australia's dry climate without needing to drink water frequently. With a flexible diet and a specialized digestive system, kangaroos can thrive even in the harshest environments. Kangaroo social behavior. The bonding of the wild kangaroos are highly social animals that live in groups called mobs, which can consist of up to 100 individuals. Living in groups enhances their ability to detect and warn each other of danger while protecting their young from predators. Within each mob, the dominant male, known as the boomer, holds the highest rank. To secure leadership, males engage in intense combat, using their powerful hind legs to deliver strong kicks and their front limbs to grapple with opponents. These battles not only showcase strength, but also determine which males earn the right to mate and pass on their genes. This social structure maintains order in the mob and ensures the survival of future generations. Kangaroo adaptations. Survival skills in the wild. Kangaroos are among the most well-adapted animals to Australia's harsh environment. Their powerful hind legs not only enable rapid movement, but also serve as formidable weapons in territorial disputes. The mother's pouch acts as a mobile cradle, keeping joeys safe during their early months. Their digestive system is specially designed to break down tough plant material while maximizing nutrient absorption. Additionally, kangaroos have highly acute hearing and vision, allowing them to detect predators from a distance and flee when necessary. These adaptations ensure that kangaroos not only survive, but also thrive in the wild. Kangaroos and culture, the symbol of Australia. Kangaroos are not just wild animals, they are an important cultural symbol of Australia. Their image appears on coins, national emblems, and even on the logo of major airlines such as Qantas. For Indigenous Australians, kangaroos hold a special place in art and mythology, representing a deep connection to nature and a strong survival spirit. With their extraordinary adaptability and crucial role in the ecosystem, kangaroos embody resilience, energy, and continuous growth. Kangaroo conservation, actions for the future. Although kangaroo populations remain strong, they still face threats, particularly habitat loss, due to urban expansion and road accidents with reduce their natural habitat, forcing kangaroos into riskier areas in search of food. To protect this iconic species, conservation organizations are working to preserve natural habitats, establish wildlife corridors, and raise awareness about kangaroo protection. These efforts ensure that future generations will continue to witness kangaroos freely hopping across Australia's vast landscapes. Fascinating kangaroo facts. Surprising things you may not know. Kangaroos possess many unique traits that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. One of the most interesting facts is that they cannot move backward due to the structure of their hind legs and tail. When walking slowly, kangaroos don't just rely on their four limbs, they also use their tails as a fifth leg to balance and support their body weight. Notably, the red kangaroo, the largest of all kangaroo species, can jump up to 3 times the length of its body, covering over 7.5 meters, 24 feet, in a single bound. These astonishing abilities not only aid their survival, but also make them one of the most captivating creatures on the planet. Conclusion: kangaroos, the wild symbol of Australia. Kangaroos are not only extraordinary animals with powerful jumps and unique pouches for raising their young, but they also play an essential role in Australia's ecosystem. They help maintain environmental balance through their herbivorous diet and interactions with other species. The image of kangaroos is deeply tied to Australian culture and the country's resilient spirit. Despite challenges such as habitat loss, these remarkable creatures continue to adapt and flourish. Kangaroos represent vitality, agility, and the untamed beauty of the natural world.